bersama penampilan dengan nomor undian 01. Disilakan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, good morning. How are you today? I hope you are fine. Today, I'd like to tell an interesting story from Kediri. The title is Entet. Do you know Entet? I'm sure you know. It is a very popular story. Okay, let me tell you this story. Enjoy it. Once upon a time, there was a young man in a village in Kediri Kingdom. His name was Entet. He was a farmer who had many talents. He was a hard worker. He could grow rice, corn, vegetables, and everything. He had a good house, many cows with a cart, a lot of gold, and much money. Shortly, he was very rich. He was well built and very strong. But he was very ugly. Although Entet wasn't a native, but he wanted to teach the young men in the village how to cultivate the farm well. The young men in the village, you know, were very lazy before Entet lived there. One day, when Entet was working on his farm, suddenly, the most beautiful girl in this village, Rakil Kuning, came. Entet! She called him. Entet was very surprised. Who's there? Who calls my name? Oh, it's you, Rakil Kuning, a pretty girl. I miss you. I haven't met you for a long time. Entet replied. Entet! What's wrong, Rakil Kuning? I want to ask something. Okay. Who grows rice over there, Entet? It's me, Rakil Kuning, my sweet girl. Why do you ask it? Do you want it? If you want, you can take it all, including me. Entet replied. Rakil Kuning answered. No, Entet. I just want to ask. By the way, are you interested in me? Sorry, you are at my level. Now, look at me. I'm very beautiful. But you? How pity I am, actually. When you call me Entet, I'm so happy. My heart is beating fast. I fall in love with you, Rakil Kuning. Oh, God. Entet, who grow green corns and cucumbers over there? Entet. Corn? Cucumbers? Of course, it's me, my honey. Take them all, my sweetheart. But Entet, you mustn't decide me in return. Entet responded. What? Sit beside you? Oh no, Entet, no. I'm only asking you. Haha, I believe you must miss me. Rakil Kuning answered. I'm so happy if I can sit beside you and we can enjoy the beautiful farm. Please, come here, Rakil Kuning. Come here. No, Entet, don't come closer to me, said Rakil Kuning. Then Rakil Kuning asked again. Entet, who shall the cows over there, Entet? They are mine, Rakil Kuning. I'm very rich, you know. I have a very large rice field want them? Okay, I will give you all, but in one condition. You marry me. I'm a single ragal kuning. Please become my beloved wife. That's Nonsense! I haven't a fiancé. I just want you become my friend, not a husband. Ragal kuning answered. Ragal kuning ran away, but Ante chased her and said, "Wait me, Ragal kuning, wait me, I love you so much." Ante wanted to hug her, but she could avoid him. He fell down because of Ragal kuning's magic trick. A small web magically he chose to be a very handsome man. Ragal kuning was very surprised that the date was actually Raden Panji Asmorobalu, her fiancé, a prince of Kediri kingdom. Finally, they went back to the palace and got married. They lived happily ever after. Yes, the story tells us about loyalty. Although there are many temptations like lot of gold, much money, and luxuries out there, but Ragal kuning still loyal to her fiancé, Raden Panji Asmorobalu. It's all for me. I hope you like it. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.